Did you know that eating this with grapes can lead to serious illnesses and memory loss? Even grapes, which are good for your health, have foods that pair well with them and foods that do not. Even good grapes need to be eaten properly to be beneficial for your body. If you eat them with foods that are not good for you, it can actually harm your health. So, I have prepared this information for you to prevent brain damages and harming your health. I will tell you about the 3 worst foods to eat with grape and the 3 best foods to eat with it. Hello, this is your Dr. John. Are there any of you who haven't subscribed yet? Please press subscribe and like right now. Share it a lot with your loved ones, and introduce Dr. John to many people. I will continue to deliver only the best health information. When we see relationships that go well together, we often say they have good compatibility, right? There's also good compatibility in food, where nutrients complement each other and create a beneficial combination for health. On the other hand, there is bad compatibility, where the nutrients do not match well and can actually harm your health. Cooking with natural ingredients that have good nutritional properties and can create a synergistic effect for our health is the best habit for maintaining good health. Dr. John will always be with you for your health. Today's star is the grape, often called the fruit of the gods. As the weather gets hotter these days, grapes increase in sugar content and decrease in acidity, making them a perfect fruit when fully ripe. This is the best time to enjoy them. Grapes are a representative antioxidant fruit full of purple anthocyanin pigments, earning them the nickname, Queen of Fruits. They are rich in glucose, fructose, and organic acids, making them excellent for relieving fatigue and restoring energy. Especially in a season like now when our energy tends to drop, you should reach for grapes even before other energy-boosting foods. But did you know that even these healthy grapes can harm your health if eaten with certain foods? Now, let's find out about the 3 worst foods to eat with grapes that can hinder the prevention of serious illnesses and brain damage, and the 3 best foods that can help extend our healthy lifespan. The first food you should never eat with grapes is seafood. Are you surprised? Many people enjoy wine with seafood and have grapes as a dessert. However, as we age and our digestive functions weaken, it's not good to eat grapes and seafood together. When you eat grapes or drink wine, you experience astringency similar to when you drink green tea or black tea. This taste comes from tannins, a type of polyphenol that is a powerful antioxidant. Tannins promote the breakdown of neutral fats in the body, which is excellent for vascular health and weight loss. Additionally, tannins have an antioxidant effect that purifies reactive oxygen species and alleviates chronic inflammation in the body, making them excellent for preventing and treating high blood pressure and brain hemorrhages. Tannins detoxify toxins like alkaloids and have sterilizing properties. However, eating grapes rich in tannins with seafood can cause problems. Seafood such as fish, shrimp, and seaweed is rich in proteins and calcium. Eating them with grapes not only diminishes the nutritional value of the protein, but also causes the calcium in seafood to combine with the tannins in grapes, forming a new substance that is hard to digest. This can irritate your stomach, causing bloating, abdominal pain, and vomiting. Additionally, seafood itself contains a lot of tannins. Excessive consumption of tannins can lead to digestive disorders. And the tannins can react with stomach acid to form lumps, increasing the risk of gallstones. Furthermore, it can slow down intestinal movement, leading to chronic indigestion, gastric ulcers, inflammation in the digestive system, and even serious illnesses. So, how should we eat grapes? The first food I recommend pairing with grapes is meat. As mentioned earlier, grapes are rich in polyphenols, a miraculous antioxidant. When consumed with meat, it creates an amazing synergy. According to a study by Israeli researchers, grapes inhibit the release of two toxic substances produced when fat in meat is broken down. These substances are malondialdehyde and hydroperoxide. Eating grapes with meat effectively prevents these toxins from being absorbed into your body. Moreover, grapes are rich in alkaline components, and when eaten with acidic meat, they help neutralize the acidity, aiding digestion and absorption. Additionally, if you eat fatty meat dishes and then have grapes, the tannin in grapes will help cut through the greasiness, enhancing the flavor of the meat. So, next time you enjoy meat, consider pairing it with wine or having grapes as a dessert. The second food you should avoid eating with grapes is blood pressure medication. If you have high blood pressure or cardiovascular disease, you need to be particularly careful about what you eat. This is because many foods interact with prescription medications. Specifically, you should not consume grapes and antihypertensive drugs from the dihydropyridine class together. These medications lower blood pressure by blocking calcium channels and are absorbed in the intestine as needed, with the excess being broken down by enzymes and excreted from the body. This helps maintain the appropriate blood pressure levels. However, when you take blood pressure medication with grapes, it can cause serious issues. One of the flavonoid components in grapes, called furanocoumarin, inhibits the action of enzymes that break down and expel the excess blood pressure medication from the body. As a result, more of the medication is absorbed than necessary, increasing the concentration of the drug in your system. This can interfere with liver metabolism and cause your blood pressure to drop excessively. So, should people with high blood pressure avoid grapes altogether? Not necessarily. There is a way to safely enjoy grapes. Avoid consuming grapes within 1 to 2 hours before or after taking your blood pressure medication, and eat the fruit whole, rather than in the form of grape juice or extracts. Chewing the whole fruit helps mitigate the interaction with your medication. The second food I recommend pairing with grapes is apples. Everyone knows that apples are good for you, right? But when you eat them with grapes, they create an incredible synergy. Grapes are rich in iron, which is great for anemia. And they are full of vitamins and minerals that help purify the blood. Moreover, the flavonoid components in grapes prevent the formation of blood clots, making them very effective in preventing arteriosclerosis and cardiovascular diseases. Specifically, the salicylic acid in grapes breaks down residues in the blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure and blood sugar levels, which is very beneficial for those with diabetes and high blood pressure. Now, focus. When you eat apples with grapes, they produce amazing benefits. The reason for this is the antioxidant, quercetin, found in apples. Quercetin is a miraculous component that treats respiratory disorders, combats serious illnesses, and enhances memory. When combined with the catechins in grapes, another type of flavonoid, you get an incredible effect that strengthens your heart. So from now on, make sure to enjoy grapes and apples together. The third worst combination for your health is grape juice. Many people drink grape extracts or beverages for its health benefits. And indeed, it can be very good for some of you. This is because grape juice includes the flesh, skin, and seeds of the grape. The skin of the grape contains resveratrol, a compound that defends against external toxins. This miraculous substance is a powerful anti-disease agent, inhibiting the formation, development, and spread of health-harming cells. Resveratrol is also excellent for brain health, helping prevent degenerative neurological diseases and dementia. Grape seeds are also highly beneficial, packed with polyphenols, antioxidants that slow the progression of Alzheimer's and remove cholesterol from blood vessels, preventing hyperlipidemia and strokes. Therefore, consuming all parts of the grape is the best way to gain its benefits. However, attention please, diabetics should avoid grape juice. The primary reason is the high sugar content in fruit juices like grape juice. The World Health Organization recommends a daily sugar intake of about 25 grams. A single pack of grape juice contains more than 10 grams of sugar on average. Drinking 2 to 3 packs of grape juice a day means you've already exceeded the recommended sugar intake. Additionally, the sugar in grapes is absorbed very quickly into the body, which can spike blood sugar levels, so you need to be extra careful. Rapid increases in blood sugar can raise insulin resistance and lead to various diseases such as cancer and neurological conditions. It's crucial to manage this. Moreover, while the good components in grape juice are concentrated during the juice-making extract process, so are the harmful ones, making concentrated grape juice a poor choice for health. And here comes the most critical part of this entire video. The last and the third best way to eat grape is wine. Isn't it interesting that while concentrated grape juice is bad for you, wine is good? The grapes varieties used for wine are different from those used for juice. Grapes for juice have high sugar content, whereas wine grapes are smaller and less sweet. Additionally, during the fermentation process, the sugars in grapes combine with yeast, resulting in wine with much lower sugar content compared to grape juice. Research has shown that diabetics who drank 1 glass of wine daily for 3 months had reduced fasting blood sugar levels and improved lipid and blood sugar control. Furthermore, resveratrol in wine helps prevent aging and boost immune system, while the tannins reduce bad cholesterol by half and prevent blood clots by expanding blood vessels. Drinking 1 or 2 glasses of wine a day helps collagen production, preventing wrinkles and spots and keeping your skin youthful. So far, we've learned about the 3 worst and 3 best foods to eat with grapes. Let's recap one last time. You should pair grapes with meat, not seafood. Enjoy a glass of wine with your meat or have grapes as a dessert. If you're taking blood pressure medication, avoid eating grapes within 1 or 2 hours before and after taking your medicine. Also, when consuming grapes, avoid concentrated grape juice or extract. Instead, chew the fresh fruit thoroughly. How does that sound? I hope you incorporate grapes and their best pairings into your diet to protect your health. Thank you so much for staying with me for this extended session. If you found today's video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Also, share it widely with your precious family and friends. I will always pray for your health and happiness. This has been your Dr. John. Thank you.